Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm showing you press down crossover here on your high chair, also known as your electric chair. So the press down crossover is probably my favorite. I love doing it whether it's here or on the one chair. Personally, I do like it here because of this really heavy spring. It teaches you a lot and really requires you to really work from your center. So there's a lot going on here. You would normally do this exercise after doing press down front and side. It really does help you get ready for this one because this one has a lot going on, a lot of challenge to your balance and strength that you need in every aspect. So if you came here from the flashcards from onlinepilatesclasses.com, I hope you are seeing how this exercise correlates to your one chair, your armchair, also your mat and reformer. If you are not here from our chairs flashcards, please check out all the flashcards that we have created at onlinepilatesclasses.com because we have mat reformer, Cadillac tower, chairs, and we have 2 more decks coming out as I am recording this. So you would stand parallel, and ideally, your heel is in line with the edge of the chair. Now, if your hips are really tight, you can scoot that heel back a little bit, and that does make it a little bit more accessible. However, you want to keep working that heel forward so it's in line with that chair. Depending on the chair that you have, some of them don't have a big enough base, and you can end up too close to your pedal. That is going to hurt your calf. So you want to just pay attention to how far away from that edge you need to be this way so the pedal has room to move. Inside hand is on the handle in front of you. Outside foot comes on parallel. You can see how I want to twist this way, so I've got to pull my hip this way. Now, be mindful of your knee here. If you have super tight hips, it's going to twist your knee. You do want to make sure that this is in this muscle. So I'm going to stand up really tall, and from my outer hip, pull this pedal down. Now the leg I'm standing on is working really hard. The energy of this one is a little different than the front, and the side has a little bit of a zest. So once you're really confident, you are pumping this pedal pretty fast and you're trying to increase the range of motion. So I'm not closing the spring as much as I did on the front and the side because I don't have that range in my hip, but I am working that speed, right? Then I lift it up, turn around, and again, do the other side. So I line the heel up with the edge, or I can go a little bit back if I have tight hips. I place the foot parallel on the pedal. I pull this hip down and back so it's square, and I work this pedal. So I, again, really enjoy this one because it truly helps you strengthen your outer hips. It also stretches it, and it requires this little to come together, just like you need for so many exercises on your window chair, on your reformer, on your mat. Hello boomerang. So really awesome one for that. Hello side kicks, right? Check this out. Also, you can check out all of the free tutorials, the flashcards, all of our classes at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.